So this is the Corsair HS50 Pro Stereo headphones. So today in this video I'm going to unbox these headphones and share with you my initial thoughts. So before I start, make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my latest update, and if you did already, thank you so much. Let's start. So I start with unboxing. As you can see, it comes with shopping bags. Actually I bought from showroom. So this is the Corsair HS50 Pro Stereo. So as you can see here, it is some aspect from here, and here's the branding with their motto, never miss a beat. So here is the front, and it supports PC, Mac, Xbox, PS4, Swiss, also mobile. Here is the some informations and packaging content. So I'm going to unbox. Warranty manual. So very smart packaging, and just pour this, and here's the some accessories with silica gel. I think it is wind proof foam for microphone, and other packaging has Type Y adapter. This is the one for microphone and another one for headphones. So if you're using on desktop, then you need this. So very soft. And another one is unidirectional mic. So this is the unidirectional mic, and it's detachable. So it also has, I already show you, this is the windshield, as you can see. So it's give you a noise free bias. So final one is this headphone. So as you can see, very comfortable, very good quality material. Build quality is very good, and as you can see, Corsair logo with matte finishing. I think it is plastic, good quality plastics. Here is the rubber, also very soft. I use for several hours. It's give you very soft feels, and both sides also same design. Here is the volume control, and minus and plus, and another one is microphone muting. If you press it, then your microphone mute, and as you can see, this is the rubber for preventing dust. So you can use your microphone here. So if you don't need microphone, then you can detach, then seal it up for prevent dust. And this frame also aluminum, and as you can see, here's the Corsair branding, and it is very soft. You feel very comfortable on it. So you can adjust this with 8 steps in both sides on your comfort positions. So as you can see, and this is the main thing, sound. I actually use it for several hours, and I very appreciate it. So it's really incredible on this budget. It's only 50 USD. So I shared my initial thoughts. So I hope this helpful for you. So if this video helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel for my latest update. See you next.